Fellow people of the Southern Cameroons, citizens of Ambazonia, today na number 28 day for the month of May 2019. My name na Capo Daniel. This one na my daily podcast for una. After the reappearance of General Nambere following the news of the arrest for Nigeria due to a setup by Samuel Sarko, the ex-acting interim president for the IG. Despite all advice, due to provocations, General Nambere then released the audio of the phone calls where Iringwa and Samuel Sarko be making for ye before then set it up for the arrest. From the first audio with Iringwa, you go hear say the first thing where the woman start talk for General Nambere, na say me General Nambere make videos and audios for insult Seseko Ayuktabi and for attack Seseko Ayuktabi for being in jail.
5 days ago.
Ayuktabi is giving us headache today for me. Now you know Ayuktabi belong from government. For Christ, Ayuktabi don't from government. You want come to for him? How is it? I think all the man make no video. Man make no video. Man never make audio. Yeah, Ayuktabi say don't be picture for la Republic. Get away with him.
For the audio tape, you go clearly hear Iringwa the demand General Nambere for make audios and videos for insult Seseko. They tell you things the way go talk regarding Seseko a rule. It be unfortunate. We'll not play all the audio because it contain very sensitive material. In the other audio where Samuel Sarko, the ex-acting interim president, called General Nambere, the promises say he will provide you some material them and financial incentives in a quid pro quo arrangement where General Nambere be supposed to make videos and audios for confirm say they don't provide them with stones and granite, despite the fact that those ones they no be provided.
Yeah, we talk with some man dash $80 me get my home, and then I can't try to conclude that time they said or send me some money so that I live over the way to do some small market. That means so my own money, my own salary, they start give me my live away for do something. Why we are come up for here? Because I never come up for here now. I never come up here go before material. I never submit up with material. I don't come on live half empty, so I've been waiting.
For Calabar side or so that we arrange we don't know
in the audio, you go clearly hear say they be done promise they go to give General Nambere salary, but they no be that ever give you that salary. And that other promises the way Sarko be making for you, so that may go out go make that video them. Unfortunately, this is outside. This is really bad for our struggle. We no fit the core general them. Make them begin make videos against other leaders them. Then they go pay another general, they make them make another videos and audios against other general. This one na a recipe for kill our people. The same how we go for ground zero. Now the same way they don't carry and go for ground one. They set up generals for kill other generals, set up generals for use them for politically. The one be very bad. Very, very bad. The amount of intelligent material, the way they don't release them for these audios, it be very damaging. And it provide intelligent report for La Republic of Cameroon for carry and go for Nigeria. For them for begin monitor our people, then for they put them more pressure about their activities. If you listen for the details for these audios, it be very damaging the amount of intelligence where it be outside there. Due to the fact say one leader go decide for core general for make use them for politics. Say me do this one, me make video for do one, me make video for do one. Make this thing stop. This is very bad. The only people who can do this are people who want to compromise our struggle. Any event, the page of Samuel Sarko have been closed. In the provisions of the IG laws, there is no provision for that position as an AIP. The fourth conclave where the authority of the IG comes from provide for a position of the vice president, not an acting interim president. And in any case, Seseko have refused that Sarko cannot act on his behalf due to the treasonous embezzlement and misappropriation he has overseen and engaged himself into, and this type of practice that have destroyed our struggle completely. We now have a vice president in the person of Mr. Yerima, who is working very hard. We are very happy for the unity we have seen in Brussels with all the leaders coming together to meet those international partners, and the meeting are ongoing. We will report with you more as more will be made available. But we understand that that meeting is highly classified and is highly kept secret. For another side, Martin Belonga Eboto, that long-time director for civil cabinet for Mr. Paul Biya presidency. Paul Biya a right-hand man. When I do all that mafia, do all that kind baba thing for Paul Biya, na he be the master manipulator for Paul Biya. Na Paul Biya a right-hand man. He die for Paris, Ambazonia, and then join for Jakarta and for make us say there will be no peace for the enemy as long as they bring war for our territory.
Not trust this rule. Why do we have security at the door of the church? Why is it that some people came and there were stops outside at the door? If this is a true service where we want to reach out to the Most High, why do we have cameras? People, praise the Lord. Why is it that
Ambazonians them inside the hall then join with some few anti-Sardinat francophone them for disrupt the service for Belinga Eboto for send a powerful message for La République du Cameroon. There shall be no peace for the enemy so long as they are killing our women, our children, and raping them and burning our properties. The enemy shall have no peace. We are also calling on Southern Cameroonians who are in La République du Cameroon to make sure that La République du Cameroon know no peace. They shall smell the smell of smoke as well as they burnt our house and they send their children into our villages to burn and rape our women. They shall know no peace as well. They were told their prayers will not cross that zing because of the death they are causing in our country. All needs to rise up wherever we are and send a powerful message to the enemy and to the international community. Ambazonians in Bali, they rise up following the attack and the atrocity for Bali by La République du Cameroon, their army them. The mine also will get a duty for finish the job for those army the way they don't give their life for Semi Ambazonia be free.
I want to promise Boss Acid that with his blood, we will get to Buea. We will complete what he started. We will not fear you. We, the people of Balignonga, will not fear you. It's time. Ambazonia, step up. Step your game up. Stand for your people. Speak for them. Provide what they need to defend their homeland. Provide them with what they need to protect their homeland. United Nations is silence. African Union is silence. United States is silence. We, the people of Ambazonia, will not be silenced. We will fight for our people. We will fight for our freedom. They like it or they not.
Rise and fight. We must defend our territory irrespective of the response from the international community. Actually, now our resilience, even in their silence, go send that message where go eventually lead for our liberation and recognition. We must demonstrate that we will never give up. We will never surrender. We will never turn back. For another side, prominent politicians, Ndasi Elvis for Messager, he done resigned for UNDP. Now a very big good news is because now a very prominent politician, a rising star. He be now one of the youngest people that ran lead parliamentary municipal election for La République du Cameroon, the election for our territory. He enter election where he be only 24-year-old. The prominent UNDP official, he don't stand, he talks, he no fit bikini do politics with La République again, where they kill our people. He cites the 5,000 people the way they live inside forests and the 2 million Ambazonians where they be affected by the war and the 50,000 where they don't run go for as refugees from Nigeria. He said no normal Southern Cameroonian with a mind no go continue politics with La République du Cameroon, their system where they killing they go on. For other side, Siseko Ayok Tabi, the interim president of the Federal Republic of Ambazonia, then sent a letter from prison. It called on intervention from the United States of America, the United Nations, as well as the African Union, following the irresponsible actions of Mr. Paul Biya, despite he claims say he want dialogue with we. That letter, Siseko Ayok Tabi sent a copy for Ayabacho Lucas, the active leadership for outside of jail. While Mr. Yerima, the vice president of the IG, have dispatched delegations to visit our refugees and provide them some assistance in Nigeria. On the defense side, the alliance is keep on growing under the Ambazonian Defense Forces. One other major force will be once be under the ASC, then joined the alliance forces led by Benedict Kwa, the head of the Ambazonian Defense Forces. The Black Lions of Ambazonia then finally joined the alliance forces. It will likely become one of the contender forces. Would they encourage every Southern Cameroonians for dip their hand deep and for support these movements for the contender forces. This is the future of our defense. It is practicable, it is workable. as they will get into their operational mode, we go they need more and more granite and sticks for supply for them. We need for all get an opportunity and a duty for support these groups, these contender forces, because this is our future for self-defense and liberation of our territory from the hands of La République du Cameroon. We still pray for unity amongst the various factions, in particularly the faction of Seseko Ayoktabi and Ayabacho, the AGC and the IG. This is very important. We need to put our country in front. There is no room for competition in a revolution. We don't need division anymore. The Faxe Sako then be kept aside, and those people where they be the worker, if they pay them, they begin to generate army for begin attack other people. They then be exposed. Now time for we to come together as one man and fight for one purpose. There is no reason for our leaders not to unite anymore. They have to choose on what format to come together and create an institutional unitary platform where it can supervise the leader of the revolution as well as nominate those who have to be nominated. May our revolution be short-lived. May our independent democracy and freedom in Ambazonia be forever. God bless Una. Capo Daniel, signing off.
No go no, waiting I see. No go no, waiting I see. No go no, waiting I see. No go, yeah.